Good morning, dear parents. This is Kinjal Shelar, working as an academic head of MS School. It has been many days we have not met personally to each other due to this drastic situation of COVID-19. But here we all are together with the online session. But some of the parent might be cannot attend that. कई सारे parent थे जिन्होंने शायद attend नहीं किया था. That's why this recorded video we have sent to you. So, MS School welcomes you to the new academic year 2020 and 21, and this is the grand day of our school, the orientation day. First of all, in parents' mind, the question arises, what is orientation? Orientation is the bridge between parent and to the school. Parent school से directly connected हो सकते हैं. Orientation will gives you the information about the school curriculum, know your teachers, teaching methodology, कैसी method होगी इस बार, parent school contact, academic enrichment means educational way, extracurricular activities, which activities will arrange in school that you will come to know through this orientation and life skills. Now, online education project, as you are knowing the present drastic situation, we cannot call our students to the school. As together, here we are not allowed to call the student. That's why we have started online education this year. In the higher grade, already we started the online session from 1st June, but gradually we will start the online education in the lower grade also. Process of learning. Well, this year we are having two methodology. First one is online and second one is offline. Online already we have started. Our teachers are now ready to provide the online videos through YouTube, and after 2 days जैसे ही YouTube पे videos upload होंगे उसके 2 दिन बाद आपको online session के लिए link share किया जाएगा where the parent and even as the student can connect with it, where they all can clear their doubts. आप अपनी queries, doubts वहाँ पे solve कर सकते हैं. So this time we are running here online education successfully, where the students will get assignments, worksheets, PPT and regular assessments, where the parents also can interact with the teachers. Now how we are delivering our education to your child. So here you can see the icons WhatsApp, YouTube, Zoom. As you are knowing that right now school will run the online education and we are sending you the link of live session through the WhatsApp. Our teachers are uploading the videos on YouTube. The two icons you are very easily available for all these parents. ये हर एक parent के लिए बहुत ही easy है use करना. That's why we have chosen these two ways. And ये Zoom application के through आपके पास live session की link मिलेगी through the WhatsApp, और बच्चे और पेरेंट दोनों उससे कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं. फोर्थ वन इज रेगुलर क्लासरूम. whenever the government declaration is there, जब भी गवर्नमेंट डिक्लेयर करेगी when will school reopen, जब हमारी स्कूल reopen होगी, then and then only we can run our regular classrooms. In the live session, all the parent or students can get the name of their specific subject teachers and class teacher names. As per the government declaration, from 3rd onwards, 3rd grade से लेके 9th तक 11, we have to accept NCERT course. हमने NCERT course को accept कर लिया है. So now we are having the NCERT books, where you will get the books from the bookstore. All the message you will get from the school. जब भी book set ready होगा, जब भी book set बाजार में मिलने लगेगा, तब स्कूल की ओर से आपको मैसेज सेंड दिया जाएगा. स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म. Whatever the school uniform were there till last year, जो भी last year तक school uniform था, this year also the same uniform will be there. But when you have to bring that uniform, buy that uniform, and from where you have to buy, we will inform you through the WhatsApp or through the phone call. Next is almanac. Almanac is the most important part of our school. Through the almanac, parent can contact with the teacher directly. पेरेंट जो है वो टीचर से डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड रह सकते हैं। डेली टू डेली बेसिस यू कैन चेक योर चाइल्ड्स एल्मेनिक, आप अपने बच्चे की एल्मेनिक चेक कर सकते हैं। थ्रू द एल्मेनिक यू विल गेट कि आपका बच्चा स्कूल में क्या कर रहा है एंड व्हाट इंप्रूवमेंट स्टिल ही और शी नीड्स फॉर the educational level, that you will come to know through the almanac. And whatever the suggestions you want to give to the teacher, you can write in the almanac. पेरेंट को अगर कोई सजेशन देना है तो वो एल्मेनिक में लिख के भेज सकते हैं। एंड पेरेंट प्लीज हियर रिक्वेस्ट यू टू ऑल check daily almanac whenever our school will reopen. Next is student planner. Student planner is the most important thing. Till the last year we have given in the book form. हमने लास्ट ईयर तक बुक बना के एक प्लानर दिया था बच्चों को, बट दिस ईयर वी आर मेकिंग द प्लानर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कैलेंडर। इस बार हमने जो प्लानर है वो कैलेंडर के फॉर्म में बना के रखा है, सो इजीली पेरेंट कैन हैंग दैट प्लानर ऑन द वॉल। पेरेंट जो है वो इजीली अपने घर में रख सकते हैं। डेली टू डेली यू कैन चेक ऑल द डेज विच सेलिब्रेशन विल बी देयर, हॉलीडेज विल बी देयर, which function will be there and what you have to follow, what you have to send with your child, ये planner के through आपको पता चल सकता है। So planner is the most important. Results. As per the present situation, we have given mass promotion to the all the student to the next year. हमने हर एक बच्चों को पास किया है and that's why here I just want to congratulate to all the student and welcome you to the academic year 2020 and 21. Now what about the evaluations and assessment? Evaluation is the most important thing where parent can get their child's stage. उससे पता चलता है कि उसके बच्चे का जो स्टेज है, डेवलपमेंट कितना हुआ है, अभी और कितनी ज्यादा जरूरत है उसको एजुकेशन में कुछ लर्न करने की या कुछ हासिल करने की। Through that evaluation you will get. This year we have arranged two type of evaluation. First one we will going to arrange in the October month and second one we will going to arrange in the March month. Next is learning while playing. Only learning is not important for our school, but learning while playing, this is the most important. बच्चों को हम एक ही चीज बार बार प्रोवाइड करें तो उसे वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा। सो खाली उनको पढ़ाना ये हमारे स्कूल का मोटो नहीं है, but we have arranged many activities with education. So बच्चों को खेल के पढ़ाना हमारे लिए बहुत ही important है, so that student will grasp that easily. Collaboration means PTM. PTM is the most important thing where the parent can solve their doubts, parent can ask about their words to the specific teacher. In the PTM you can get all the information about the students, whatever he or she did in the school. उसने जो क्या किया है स्कूल में उसके बारे में आपको सब कुछ पता चलेगा। And this time the PTM will be before examination and after examination. So PTM is the way in which the parent can keep in touch with the teachers. Student presentation program where our MS school provide the stage to the student. हमारी MS स्कूल जो है वो बच्चों को एक ऐसा स्टेज प्रोवाइड करती है जिससे बच्चे जो है वो काफी घबराहट से दूर रहते हैं। दे विल रिड्यूस द स्टेज फियर एंड दे विल ओवरकम विद दैट फियर। वो डर को एक जीत में हासिल कर लेते हैं। एंड दिस इज द यूनिक कंसेप्ट। ये हमारे स्कूल का एक यूनिक कंसेप्ट है, शायद ही कोई स्कूल में होता होगा, where the students can develop their speaking level, communication, confidence level boost up in these tasks. So this is the most important task for the children. Celebrations. Many of the celebrations here we are going to celebrate with the students. Not only this is for the enjoyment, ये सिर्फ enjoyment नहीं है हमारे लिए, but we will provide the knowledge about that festivals, about that day, about that celebrations. Our teachers are give some work on that specific day. हमारे टीचर्स जो हैं उसके ऊपर कोई वर्क भी देते हैं, लाइक उसके ऊपर कुछ लिखना, उसके ऊपर कोई इंफॉर्मेशन है तो वो बच्चों से मांगते हैं. दैट मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स कैन रीच टू द ट्रेडिशनल वे एंड रिचुअल्स. Discipline. What is discipline? All the parents want the discipline in their ward. हर एक पेरेंट चाहता है कि उसके बच्चे के अंदर एक डिसिप्लिन पावर होना चाहिए. But the discipline start with the punctuality. all the parents are requesting to send their child to the school on time. This is the first discipline point of our MS school, and all rest discipline our teachers are taught to students. Learning combinations. Education is not only the thing where we are here to provide, but the most important thing that with the learning we are combined many of the things. उसके साथ हमने कई सारी चीजें combine की है, like celebrations, activities, occasions, and many more games. Here you can see in the icons like block activities, like speaking activities, like role model activities, writing skill, alphabetical games, many more things through which student can develop in themselves. Reward and recognition. Here we are providing them the reward. Why? Just because students are enthusiastically pay their work to the teachers. वो अपना वर्क जो है, बच्चों का जो वर्क है, वो टीचर के पास वो लोग जाते हैं, उनको दिखाते हैं. Where our teachers are choosing the good work. हमारे टीचर्स भी ऐसे हैं जो अच्छा वर्क है उसको चूज करते हैं. बट I can say that कि हमारे लिए हर एक बच्चे विनर है. Not only first, second and third reward we are giving, but to all the students we are providing reward and recognition. Annual day celebration. Annual day celebration is the most important day for our school. Annual day is the day when we have to represent our school in front of you. हमें अपने आप को represent करना है आपके सामने. We have to represent your child in front of you. हमें आपके बच्चों को आपके सामने represent करना है. You are not knowing how much knowledge in your child. आपको नहीं पता है आपके बच्चे के अंदर कितना knowledge है. But in these day, on these day, we will show that कि how much talent your ward has. आपके बच्चे के पास कितना talent है, हम इस दिन पे वो show करते हैं. Annual Sports Day. Annual Sports Day is the most important day of our school. Annual Sports Day is the day when our school teachers has arranging the game in a professional way. ये games कुछ ऐसे ही नहीं खिलाई जाती है, but with skills our teachers are providing games to the students where the parents can also connect with it. जैसे कि parent भी यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं, बच्चों को भी यहाँ पे join किया जाता है, and we will distribute the reward. Transportation. Transportation facilities here available in our school, where the parent, if want further information, they can call to the school. Here we are having some of the contacts through which you can reach to the school, as you cannot come to the school nowadays. So first one you have given here the WhatsApp number, second one here you have given the email ID, and last one the website ID. And this is the most important ways through which you can connect to the school. If you are having any queries, then you can ask by these ways. So this is the most important part of our school, and if you are having any suggestions, then also you can send to us. Thanks to you. Thanks for your cooperation, all of you.